Hi, good afternoon. I'm Ibrahim Abdulmalik, and I'm taking you through a demo of Autodesk Fusion 360. This is my best design engineering tool as a mechanical engineer. Now, for all hardware designers across the world, one of the biggest problems that they face is that they have to download clunky software. What Autodesk Fusion does is it allows you to be able to leverage an online platform to design anywhere, making design portable. All you simply need is a laptop and an internet connection. And so this is what Autodesk Fusion 360 looks like. It's basically divided into two sections. On the left, you have your stock, and on the right, you have your playground or your workspace. And so on the left-hand side, you can take a look at your designs that you've made in order of recency. The most recent designs are on top, and then the older designs are on the bottom. You can also take a look at, for your design, when was it created, who created it, was this design used in any other drawing or in any other assembly, which we'll get to talk about. And you can also view the details on the web. Now, if I was to click this, it's going to take me to a web page which will disrupt my demo. However, you can also take a look at the people that you've collaborated with in the past on any other projects, on any of your projects that you must have worked on. Then you can also understand what kind of storage that you're using. This is a single user storage unit based on the fact that I'm registered as a student. Now on the right hand side is the workspace, the beauty of the app. And on the workspace, you get to look at the top, which allows you to design, render, animate, simulate, manufacture any part. What this basically does for you as a designer is it allows you to bring your sketches into real parts and then render those real parts to, to it allows you to bring your sketches to look like a real design, and then it also allows you to even see what it's going to look like if you had to simulate stresses, if you had to animate the part, if you had to even render it to look very real, or if you had to even manufacture it, especially if you are using like a 3D printer, which has a direct integration with Autodesk Fusion 360 software. Now, the most important thing for a designer is you want to have your quick setup, which allows you to specify your metrics, which is what you are going to be drawing in, and then your experience to CAD. If you are new to CAD, the setup is going to be much different from if you've used any other computer aided design software. Now, once this is hidden, you can come to the left hand side of your browser, which allows you to understand your document settings, your named views, and your origin. And then on the top is every single thing that you need to design your parts. You can start from sketches to extruding those sketches to begin to look real, and to even revolving the sketch to be able to look like a circular part or even boring a hole through it. You can also take it if it was a sheet metal, if you want to modify it to fillet the edges so they look very smooth, or if you want it to be like a shelled shape. And as I mentioned when I was talking about stock, I talked about the bearing ring, which was a design that I made in the past. And so with the Autodesk Fusion, you can assemble multiple parts to form one new component. I can do this quickly to show you what it's going to look like. So I select a plane, I select a shape, and then once I'm done with my designing, I can decide to say I want to make it solid. You can quickly bore a hole through it. You select the plane, you select how wide you want the hole to be, and then it's done. It's a very simple software to use, and I recommend it for anybody who's trying to pick up hardware design from scratch. This is my demo. Thank you.